Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable auto-delete messages for a specific contact on Telegram, so your conversations stay private and clutter-free. Whether you want to keep sensitive chats secure or just prefer a tidy message history, setting messages to disappear after one day is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account so you can access all your chats. Next, go to the chat with the contact for whom you want to enable auto-delete. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find their name. Once you've found the conversation, tap to open it. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the contact's profile picture or their name. Tap on this area to open the chat's details page. This brings up more options for customizing your chat experience. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with additional settings. From this menu, select the option labeled Auto Delete. This is the feature that lets you set a timer for your messages to be automatically erased. You'll see several time period options for auto delete. To have messages disappear after one day, simply select 1 day or 24 hours from the list. Confirm your choice and you're all set. From now on, any new messages you send or receive in this chat will be automatically deleted after 1 day. This helps keep your conversations private and ensures that no sensitive information lingers longer than you want. You can repeat these steps for any other contact or chat where you want to enable auto-delete. It's a simple way to take control of your privacy and keep your Telegram experience organized. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who want more control over their Telegram chats. Stay tuned for more tips to get the most out of your favorite apps.